Hi everyone. In this lesson I'd like to show you why it's very practical to play, why I think it's practical to play blues in either A or in E. And that's because you've got the open strings, especially in A, you've got the open A, D, and E, which are the three notes you need to play the rhythm in A for a blues in A. I'll demonstrate. As you could see, I'm playing all the rhythm with just the open strings and just adding pentatonics in A to play both the rhythm and the lead in a blues in A. So that's the A. I'll demonstrate the E as well. So I'm playing E, and then I just take blues in E is E, A, and B. So this time we don't have the B as an open string, but we do have the E and the A already, and we can just fret the B when we get to the B. I'll try to think of a little piece to demonstrate. So as you could see, I was doing the same thing, only what you can do when you reach the B is, what I like to do is take an actual B chord, this one. It's 2 on the A string, 1 on the D string, 2 on the G string, then you play the high B open, and you fret the 2 on the high E string with your pinky. So I like that sound in a blues, to just take the chord and play it like that. I'll show you. Something like that. So yeah, that's why I like to play blues in either A or in E, because like I've demonstrated, it's very easy to keep the rhythm going because you have the open strings in both these keys. I hope that helped, and I'll be making a lot more lessons for you guys, so keep watching my channel. Thank you for watching.